guys are. All right, trying to figure out my camera here. It looks like it's recording, and you guys should be able to see my screen. Hopefully you can hear me, or else this is awkward and I'm talking to myself. But it looks like everything is clear, so let's get the party started. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, everyone. Today, I'm gonna be sharing with you how I was able to make my first $1,000 in a single month online. I did this through affiliate marketing, all right? And I did this through what I like to call a stacking method. So if you are kind of like a new person to my channel, maybe affiliate marketing, maybe you're not too sure what it is, this is going to be a recap and a refreshment for some of you veterans who are already subscribed to my channel because you know what it is. But affiliate marketing is by far probably one of the easiest ways to make a passive income online to date. Even with like Bitcoin out there, which is kind of lucrative to do that. But you know, affiliate marketing, all you're doing is you're promoting other people's products and you earn a commission. That commission is always going to vary. It could be 50%, could be 30%. But the whole purpose of you succeeding with it is you're not doing customer service, you're not creating any products. All you're doing is you're getting people who are interested in that product to that product and you make money. That is it. That is all, as long as they purchase, of course. Okay, so what I want to do in this video is I want to give you guys clarity on this process because back in 2014, I went from dazed and confused, struggling really bad with affiliate marketing, going through course and training after course, with information overload to finally cracking the code, not only making $1,000 a month, but scaling that and making consistent income. All right, so we're going to work ourselves from the top. I'm going to recommend and share with you guys different products. We're going to go through a whole live example, but we're starting off on Paint here, so bear with me because to do the stacking method and hit that $1,000 a month, to replicate it for yourself like I did back in 2014 and I still use to this date to grow and build my business today in 2017, is you need to have a front-end offer, an FEO. And yes, my drawing is absolutely bad, so if you're new to the channel, you're going to enjoy this. You're on for a ride here. Okay, so a front-end offer is going to range anywhere from $25 all the way to $100. Now, you might ask, well, Brando, why is that? And I've covered this before in other videos, but the reason why you want your front-end offer to range between that is because it's not risk-taking. It's not a lot of risk for people. Most people can afford it. Okay, $25, it's not a compromise for them. They don't have to dig into their savings. Same with something that's $100. And the hardest thing to do online, especially when you're starting out with affiliate marketing, pretty much any business, is to get your first customers. So you can build trust and rapport with people if you offer something that's a low ticket offer that doesn't cost that much money. Now, the numbers I have listed here are very important. These are not numbers that are revenue or retail price. I'm talking about you pocket, you take home a commission of $25 ranging from that point to $100. Now, back in 2014, I was promoting an affiliate product around internet business and marketing online, and that product was paying out $25, okay? And it was a one-time fee. It wasn't like a monthly reoccurring product, and we'll actually get into that a little bit more and how you actually need that. But the front end offer, it paid me out 25 bucks. Now, where people tend to get this all screwed up and wrong is what they will do, and this is important for you guys to know because I know there's going to be 3 or 4 of you who are currently screwing up and struggling because of this, is some people are not in money-making niches, all right? They're not in money-making niches and they're in things that they're passionate about, like arts and crafts and cutlery and making paper cranes or paper crochet and origami, and it's just not popular online. Okay, you can argue with me on it, but it's not as high in demand as other things out there. Like if you look at Bitcoin, okay, Bitcoin is such a high in demand thing in the marketplace right now. Cryptocurrency, everyone's trying to get in on it. Why is that? Because the stock went from, I think it was 5,000 at the beginning of June of 2017, and at the time of me shooting this, the stock has gone up to over 20,000. Well, not the stock, but Bitcoin has gone up. A coin has gone up to $20,000 for one coin. So everyone is trying to get in on it because there's been millionaires created from it. You know, teenagers and young adults and older adults, they're creating financial freedom from it. So everyone is wanting to learn this. This is a very hot trend currently. It's high in demand. It's a money-making niche, which means it's very easy for you to capitalize on a niche that's getting already a ton of attention. You don't have to test the marketplace. You don't have to see if there's things that are not high in demand. All right, you don't have to do any of that crazy stuff reinventing the wheel. Another example would be, as you guys all know, making money online. That's high in demand. It always has been. Who doesn't want to make money online and fire their boss and sip out of coconuts on the beach working from their laptop only 2-3 hours a day? Who doesn't want that? Chances are that's why you're watching this video right now, or very similar to why you're watching this video right now. You probably want to fire your boss if you haven't done that already. You want to make an income that's steady and consistent online. Okay, so making money online, building a business online is hot. Doesn't matter if that's real estate, consulting, affiliate marketing, anything in the make money online niche. Okay, what's another one? I heard you guys, health and fitness, okay? So we got the health and fitness niche, people who want to lose weight, they want to gain muscle, okay? And those are just to name a few. I'm not going to go through a whole bunch of different examples. So where people screw up is, first and foremost, they're not in a money-making niche. All right. Secondly, where people screw up is they get involved in a money-making niche and they get involved in a product. Usually it's one or two products that pay out very small commissions. Like I'm talking ridiculously small. Okay. So they'll get a product and the retail price of that product is $25 and the payout for that product maybe is, if they're lucky, 50%. Which means they're going to make, every time they refer somebody to this product and somebody decides to buy, they're going to make about $12.50. And this is the difference between succeeding with affiliate marketing and failing for a long time. And when I understood this and how stacking really can help you not have to be a sales superstar to make a ton of money, everything changed, okay? Because if we pull out the calculator here, with this example, and then we'll get into live examples and everything, so just hold your horses here, guys. With this example, to make $1,000 a month, just $1,000, which is not enough money to really quit your job. All right, you probably have to make about $2,000, $2,500, $5,000 a month to quit most of your guys' jobs. All right, but $1,000, it isn't bad. But to make $1,000 with this case and scenario, which is very average in affiliate marketing, to get paid this much, you're gonna have to make, all right, how many sales? It's gonna be, all right, 80 sales to make only $1,000. If you ask me, that's a little ridiculous. And this is the #1 killer to why people do not succeed and they struggle with affiliate marketing. You have to be a freaking sales superstar to be able to do that. That's averaging 3 to 4 sales every single day. Do you think you can do that right from the get-go, even if you're running paid advertising like Facebook ads? Okay. And good luck if you're doing free organic traffic. Okay. You'll never hit this. It's going to take you 2 years to get 80 sales, even in a single month. Okay. We're talking monthly here, okay? So this is very unrealistic and not logical at all for new people starting out. And this is why I was failing for a very long time. But it wasn't until I started applying stacking that things started to really take off for me, because what happened was I stopped focusing on tiny commission products. I stopped focusing on things that I had to produce a lot of sales to produce a small result. 80 sales is a lot of sales to only make $1,000. I'm just telling you guys, it is. So what I did was, back in 2014 and still to this day, was I created a second offer. All right, I didn't create it, I actually found a second offer to promote, okay? And this offer ranged anywhere from $125 all the way up to $500. And that's commission payout, that's not revenue, that's not sales. This is money I would keep. It ranged from $125 to $500. So if we do the math now for our second product, a product that we stacked underneath it, okay, our second tier offer, which we would share this right after people purchase our first offer. Okay, we would send them over to our second offer. The reason for that is because when somebody's buying something, psychologically, when they first purchase something, they're more inclined to buy another thing. They're in that buying mode frenzy. So that is why you want to introduce them in your marketing funnel to that second offer right away, right after they purchase the first one. So if we do the numbers, we run it, we do 1,000. All right, and we divide that by 125. I'm sure you guys already guessed it. It is 8. Okay, so we went from having to produce 80 sales a month, every single month, to make just $1,000 to now we only have to make 8 sales to make our first $1,000 in a month. Okay, that's a significant drop, and that's very realistic. And anyone watching this video right now can go out there and do this after this video. And of course, we're gonna go through products, and we're gonna find products today in this video. I'm gonna help break it down step by step for you guys exactly how I was able to do it. But you can see the significant drop from that. But however, that's making 8 sales every single month consistently. It's not a lot, but you want to have some passive income that comes in from that. And that's what I realized back in 2014, that I needed leverage. So that is why you want to have a third product, okay? You want to have a third product, and this third product is going to pay you a residual income, and that's going to be anywhere from $50 to $100, and that's going to be the third offer, usually like a membership site or a membership training course. You don't have to create this. There's sites that already have this. I will share with you guys examples of products that you guys can promote that have all 3 of these things incorporated in them, okay? They're all products and services that I use, so I'm only going to recommend to you guys things that I've personally used. But you can see how much this really helps you out. Even with this one right here, you'd only have to make 10 sales every single month to make $1,000. And keep in mind, when you have this third offer in there, you don't have to make 10 sales every single month. Okay, but if you did make 10 sales every single month with your third offer here, that means your first month you'd make $1,000. If you made just 10 sales your second month, okay, your income would jump up to $2,000. If you did it again, your third month, your income would jump up to $3,000. So not only with the stacking method will you be able to go out there and make $1,000 10 times easier without having to create a huge sales volume, all right, without being a sales superstar, because let's be realistic, when you're starting out, you're not a marketing genius, you're not a marketing expert, you don't know how to drive consistent traffic, you need as much leverage as possible, and the stacking method really applies that, and this is exactly how I was able to do it. The question you probably have before we actually end out this video that I'm going to cover is, well, Brando, where can I find a front-end offer that can build a relationship and trust with people that cost, some decent amount of money between $25 and $100, but pays me out $25 to $100? And then how can I find a second offer that pays out more, and then a third offer that pays me out a residual income so I can scale up my income every single month without having to produce 80 sales a month just to make $1,000 a month? So I can make like 8 sales a month to make 1,000 a month, or 5 sales a month. And how can I make sure that it's in a money-making niche, whether it's Bitcoin or make money online or health and fitness? And let me just tell you, because I know there's going to be some people who watch this and they're like, well, Brando, I don't want to be in any of those niches, okay? I don't want to be in Bitcoin, make money online, or health and fitness. I don't want to be in a make money niche. I want to be in a niche that I'm passionate about. And the reality is, people who are in niches that they're passionate about, most of the time they fail and they fall flat on their face. Again, you want to be in something that's high in demand, that has a lot of attention. It's easier to market in. You're going to make money a lot faster, which if you're in this to make money, all right, let's be honest, you probably are. You want to make money. Everyone likes money. You can quit your job. Okay, you can create financial freedom, better results for your family and yourself. Then get in a make money niche, become an expert on it, keep watching YouTube videos, become knowledgeable on the specific niches that you want to get involved in. But luckily today, guys, I'm going to share with you affiliate marketing products that I personally use and I recommend to people. And the cool thing is they're all congruent with each other, so you don't have to do any of the guesswork. One of the things that people flop on when they're stacking, all right, is their products are not congruent. Their products are all in different niches. So like their first product is going to pay out $25 to them and it's around Bitcoin cryptocurrency, but their second offer they're sharing with people is around real estate and trading real estate stock, or it's around doing makeup and health and fitness. Like, it's not congruent. It's not complementing each other. So I'm going to share with you guys products that complement each other, that start low and have a medium range and then a passive residual income range. And it's probably products you've already heard of, okay? So the first product I'm going to recommend you guys use, and it's totally optional. This is not a pitch. This is just sharing with you guys what works currently to date for me and also a lot of people out there in the marketplace, is Shopify. Shopify is a really good front-end offer and something that can pay you out a huge commission. As you can see on the screen here, you can earn up to $2,000 per new merchant that you refer to Shopify, which is huge. And the referral program is just absolutely excellent. You can just apply for it. You can get accepted in pretty much like 24 hours. There's nothing technical about it. You literally just sign up for Shopify. You log in as an affiliate and you can start referring people to it. And everyone is getting in on Shopify. Dropshipping is a hot marketplace. People are making money in this space. So it's just an awesome place to get started. Second product, affiliate product I'm going to share with you guys, is ClickFunnels. So everyone who has a Shopify store needs to have a marketing funnel, because when you go out there and you're building your business, here's how it looks. You have your Shopify store with all your listings on it, okay? Or your store just in general, your website. Think of all the websites out there online. They have listings of products and services on it. Now you need to get people to that actual store and those specific products. How you do that is through a marketing funnel. Okay, so you have people over here, which is traffic, and the traffic is always on social media. So you run a Facebook ad, you do a free YouTube video, and guess what? The people come to what is called a capture page, where you collect their name and email. They get on your email list, which is what you want to do. And then from there, they get slowly introduced. Oh, hey, my name is Brando. My name is John. I have a Shopify store. It sells X, Y, and Z. And then from there, guess what? They get directed over to your store. All right, but now you have their email where you can keep following up with them, sending them back to that store. So the reality is, all I'm trying to get at is, no, you don't have to be in Shopify to be able to promote ClickFunnels, but ClickFunnels is a necessity to actually getting people over to your Shopify store, because you don't want to just send people directly to your store and do direct marketing. That's what everyone else is doing. You want to also build out that email list. You want to build that asset out, okay? And you want to warm them up. You want to build trust with them. So having a marketing funnel is so essential for stores online today. So ClickFunnels does that, and you can integrate it with Shopify. And the cool thing with ClickFunnels is it pays out 40% monthly reoccurring commissions. So does it cover our passive income third product that we need? Absolutely. Okay, so you don't have to create the product yourself. ClickFunnels actually pays you out monthly, which is awesome. And the cool thing with ClickFunnels is their products range anywhere from $90 all the way up to $1,000. So if you go here, you see a product is $997 for a training, and that means you get paid about $397 for that product, about $397, $497. That's a lot of money, and you get paid that monthly, okay, for some of them. Okay, for some of the products, don't get me wrong, but 40% reoccurring commissions is awesome, considering ClickFunnels has higher priced products, and it's a professional service. This is not a schemey service, just like Shopify. It's not a schemey, scammy service. They're both credible. They've been credible in the marketplace, created thousands of results, millions of results for people around the world. And that leaves me with the third affiliate offer and program that you guys can go out there, use, and promote. And again, all these are free to sign up for and actually get access to them. I'll leave links down below in the description, or I'll actually put a comment down below with the links there from Shopify to ClickFunnels, and the last one, which is going to be Fiverr, so you guys don't have to go out there and do the guesswork and find these pages. You can just click the link down in the comments. But Fiverr is an awesome place. Why? Because people who create Shopify stores, which is a huge hot niche of making money online, all right, who also need, all right, a marketing funnel, are going to need graphic design help. So what better place to go to than Fiverr, where there's graphic design artists and you can get paid per CPA, which is cost per acquisition, all right? Which means every time you get somebody to buy somebody else's gig that they posted on Fiverr for $50, $100 for a banner or a website logo or a website design, guess what? You're gonna get paid every time you refer somebody to that. And guess what? It's completely free to sign up. You don't have to pay to sign up with Fiverr. Again, awesome service, one that I use and I recommend people to because it's so easy to make money, because Fiverr is just so awesome. I mean, you can go here and guess what? You can type in Shopify, all right? Shopify website or Shopify design, okay? And you'll be able to see all these different listings for Shopify designs. Website design is not cheap, and people are willing to pay for it, which means you're gonna make more money. So we can recommend people to this product we didn't even have to create. And guess what? The premium product is $300 Canadian, which means if I'm gonna get paid, I think the commissions are gonna vary anywhere from 10% to 25%. It means I could possibly make 70 to 80 bucks from referring people to this product if I sign up for Fiverr's affiliate program, which is really killer, really killer. You see how simple it is, guys? I hope you do. So these are three very, very congruent affiliate programs that all complement each other that I would highly recommend you guys use. Again, all the links are going to be down below in the description for you guys to access them. Whether you decide to promote them or you don't is totally up to you. But yeah, guys, that is it. That's how I was able to make my first $1,000 back in 2014 when I was 18 years of age. And if I can do it, you can do it too. It's a hell of a lot simpler than what most people, laid out there to be online. It's all about stacking, making sure your products are congruent with each other. And you guys have the formula. You don't have to go out there and guess what products are going to be congruent, what's going to work with which. You have it all right here in this video. So it's just a matter of you going out there, taking action, making sure it's all set up, accessing your affiliate links, and then getting people to those actual links. So I hope you enjoyed this. Leave a like if you did. Leaving likes always encourages me to talk more on specific subjects, and also leave your comments on what you thought, your opinions, if you've tried this stuff out, if you're going to use the affiliate programs that I mentioned here. Again, I'd just love to hear you guys' opinions on the matter. But other than that, guys, that is it for today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Take care and peace out.
Me to a savage.